Hi, my name is Colette. I'm an Ayurvedic practitioner based in London. I want to show you a lovely Ayurvedic face massage that I do in the evenings to help me switch off my mind, relax and get a good night's rest. What makes this facial massage special is that it includes Ayurvedic Marma points, which is a bit like energy points or acupressure points that's linked to different systems or organs in the body, and by massaging these points we bring more wellness and balance to both our physical bodies and to our minds. So to start, I've got a lovely oil that I'm using. I love using a rose-based oil, and I'll just use 2 pumps. I'll apply the oil to my skin and you can just follow along. We'll be repeating each stroke about 3 times, and then when we do the marma points at the end, we'll massage each marma point 7 times in each direction. So we'll be doing small circular strokes 7 times in one direction and then 7 times in the other direction to bring balance. To start, we'll start with a connecting stroke. So starting from the corners of the mouth, moving over the center of the face, sliding outwards over the forehead and sliding along the jawline back to the chin. Then again upwards over the center of the face, slide out over the forehead and back down. Up over the center of the face, outwards over the forehead and sliding back down over the jawline. Next we're going to massage the forehead, so using alternating hand strokes, just sliding from side to side over the forehead, releasing any tension. Next we're going to do a figure of 8 around the eyes, looping around either eyes, so going from one eye to the next. So relaxing all those small muscles around the eyes. It's nice to take deep, slow breaths while you do this massage to help you relax. Next we're going to massage the temples. So just nice big circles around the temples. And then we're going to relax our cheeks and jaw area. So starting at the chin, sliding up over the corners of the mouth, along the cheekbones, and back down. Up over the corners of the mouth, along the cheekbones, and back down. Up over the corners of the mouth, along the cheekbones, and back down. And then we're going to relax the mouth area, so sliding from side to side over the upper lip, and the lower lip, and then we'll do a few more connecting strokes before we start with the marma points. So sliding up over the corners of the mouth, center of the face, sliding outwards over the forehead and back down. Up over the center of the face, sliding outwards over the forehead and back down. Up over the center of the face, outwards over the forehead and back down. Okay, the first marma point we will be doing is between the eyebrows. You can use 3 fingers for this, and just doing 7 slow strokes over this energy point. It's known as a Stapani Marma point. Stapani means to hold, so it's a point that holds your attention, and therefore during meditation quite often they recommend that you meditate on this point. It's said to be the most powerful point to focus on to calm the mind and build up your concentration levels. And then 7 times in the opposite direction. You can close your eyes and do some deep, slow breaths to relax. Next, We're going to do a point which is on the arch of the eyebrows, so just where you'll feel the bones of the skull flatten slightly at the arch of your eyebrows. And again, 7 strokes in one direction. These 2 points are really good to balance the eyesight. And 7 times in the opposite direction. Next, we're going to massage the temples using 3 fingers again. There's actually 3 points around here. One of them is on the outer corners of the eyebrows. So you can do some nice big strokes and you're covering all the points. And these points are really good for tension headaches. And 7 times in the opposite direction. Next, you're going to do a little bit of a massage just on the outer corners of the eyes, on this orbital bone over here. So pressing relatively lightly and doing 7 circles in one direction. And repeat on the opposite side. Next, we're going to do the outer corners of the nose. These 2 points are really good for the sinuses, to help clear the sinuses. 7 circles in one direction. And repeat in the opposite. Then there's a point just on the upper lip that is linked to balancing prana in the body. So again, 7 circles in both directions. Then we're going to do 2 points on either side of the lips. So that's just on the corners of the lips. These 2 points are really good to help balance the digestive fire. It helps balance the stomach, small intestine and colon. So 7 circles in each direction. And then to complete the practice, we'll finish off with a few connecting strokes again. So up over the center of the face, side out over the forehead and back down, up over the center of the face, slide outwards and back down, and again up over the center, sliding outwards and back down. And then keep your eyes closed for a few moments. Notice how you're feeling. Feeling more calm, grounded and open. And then you can slowly open your eyes. Great, thank you. Sleep well.